Today we are at High School Bakiakar, and the worthy headmaster and staff of this institution has taken a step that we are going to make a herbal garden here. As you can see, the mother beds are being prepared for various varieties. So far as this variety is concerned, we have one variety planted here. One of our bright students, namely Mursaleen, is watering the plant. We have a variety here, as you can see, this one. It's Podophyllum, commonly known as Vanvangur in Kashmiri. It has a nut-like, part here. This is Vanvangur. It has huge economic importance. We have this one species as Iris kashmiriana, commonly known as Mazarmund. We have so many other varieties. We will try to give you the first-hand experience of the various varieties. We have one variety here. This is Lavandula. As you can see, this is Lavandula or lavender. It has huge economic importance. It is used for the extraction of various scented products. It's used in perfumery, for the production of cosmetics. So, as you can see, we have some other varieties. This one variety is Centellina, as one of our teachers, a versatile teacher, namely Mr. Nazir Ahmad Sheikh, himself a versatile botany tutor, is planting right now the plant. We have brought these plants. It is pertinent to mention that these medicinal varieties or these medicinal plants have been brought. We have brought them from Poshnar, where there is a medicinal nursery, a nearby forest area, a nearby forest compartment. Mr. Nazir Ahmad is on toes to upgrade, to form the herbal garden. We are trying our level best. Rest result lies in the hands of Almighty Allah. What lies in our hands is the hard work. The students are passionate. They are working hard. We have Mahid and this Pirzada Ufaq. We have Usman. We have Mursaleen. They are working hard. They are the hard-working students of this institution. We have some other staff members. Some of them are right now, in classwork, busy in the academics, and we have been assigned this work to form this garden, this herbal garden. We will try to show you more varieties. We have huge number of varieties here. We are right now at High School Bakiakar. As you can see very clearly, this is High School Bakiakar, Zone Rajwar. So we are making, and one of our students is coming with one more variety. This is Artemisia. This is Artemisia, commonly known as Tatian or Tatian in Kashmiri. As you can see, Najir sir is planting this. This Artemisia has got huge economic importance. We get an alkaloid from it, commonly known as artemisinin. It has antiviral property. It's used for various purposes, to cure various ailments, to cure various infections. At the same time, we are watering these plants. You can see the students are working extremely hard. They are working extremely hard to water the plants. This will continue. On the other hand, this is one part, herbal garden. This is our second part. That's kitchen garden. We have planted Nol Khol. We have planted, Brassica oleracea variety Haka, commonly known as Hawk. You can see the tomato plants, Lycopersicon esculentum has been planted. This is our kitchen garden. We had this also in the previous year. Once it gets, we get the vegetables. The same are used for MDM purpose. This is an essence. Not only it adds to the beauty or it adds to the greenery, but it also provides us an economic value. It's used for the students, rather it's by the students, for the students, of the students. Whatever is done is done for the betterment of the students. You can see one more variety. This is Virginia. This is, as I can say that, if Najir Saab will correct me if I am wrong, it's commonly known as Zakhmi Hayat.
Exactly.
I guess so. In Kashmiri, it is Zakhmi Hayat. You know, it has huge economic importance since this is the botany aspect. I cannot give you the detail in a limited period of time. We have one more variety. Nazir Saab will help me to identify this this variety. Okay, you know, this work is done on a mission mode. We have taken it on a mission mode, on a missionary basis, you know, on war footing basis. We are trying to you know, to make a beautiful and attractive herbal garden at High School Bakhiakar. You can see one more variety being planted. The students are showing utmost the students are showing utmost interest. We have a variety here. This is Ipomia batata, sweet potato, commonly known as sweet potato. As you can see, sweet potato variety is being, you know, planted in High School Bakhiakar in the herbal garden. We had one more species here. If you can see, this is a fern, or this is a pteridophyte. It has been planted here, a pteridophyte. Other than that, we are planting ornamental plants, but our focus is on medicinal plants, so that in the future we will guide the students. We will provide the first-hand experience. We will provide the you know, the whatever is required from the scientific point of view. It gives us an idea that how these medicinal plants are grown here. आप वीडियो में बने रहें, आगे हम आपको दिखाएंगे।